All right, this is your sneak peek of the February 2026 release at Trinity Stamps. We have 5 new standalone dies and 3 stamp and die combos for you with a very heavy Easter theme. So we're going to jump right in and take a look at some card samples made with these, and then you can expect this release to hit the shop on February 19th. And in between now and then, you'll see some videos and posts on our Instagram of more sneak peeks. We have a brand new shape card die for you. I bet you can guess the shape from these samples I have right here. It is an egg-shaped card, and that die set is going to have some really cute little accessories so you can make cards like these. We've got a little egg here. We've got some fun sentiments on here as well. So you can expect a sentiment set that you can coordinate with this. Great for springy, Eastery things. And you can tell we've got little things to dress up your eggs. Some feet, a little crack situation, faces, little band-aid. I love this crack right here. That's so cool. And then one peeking out. So this is a brand new shape card. And you know, when we have shape cards at Trinity Stamps, we don't stop at just one thing you can do with that. No, we don't. So I wanted to show you that we have some super cute add-ons. So right here we have an add-on that's going to work with your egg-shaped card and really let you create that Easter vibe. You can do really cool backgrounds behind this die cut out Happy Easter. I think this is going to be a really fun addition to the egg-shaped card. We have one other new addition that is gorgeous and very versatile, and that is an Easter basket you can put on your egg-shaped card. Now, this is cool because you could make this basket on its own. It doesn't have to go on the egg-shaped card, but it totally can. And you can see it's just full of things that you can use to fill up that basket. Now, as you're looking, you might notice something else new. Yes, there are new Simply Sentimental stamp sets and die sets in this new collection, and I think that you're going to like them. It's going to fill in that Easter gap, and if you like to make faith-based cards, you're going to love the second set as well. So I have one more just cute fun thing to show you that I did with the egg-shaped card, and that is this one right here. You're the avocado to my toast. You can easily take the things to make the egg and turn it into an avocado, and then we already have this calls for a toast stamp set, so I just threw that in there, but I wanted to show you there's versatility there. So let's look at another couple standalone die sets coming out in this release. This one's a fun one. If you liked our Peep Show die set, you're going to love this one. It is really fun and so cute. You can make that squishy little bunny, tasty little treat look on your cards, and I think they're just adorable. Look at that. Paired with our new Simply Sentimental here, and we've got some little sparkles on here that may be new as well. So we'll get back to the embellishments in just a moment, but I have one more standalone die set I want to show you. Was I telling you about faith-based cards? Look at this gorgeous scene that you can create with a new die set. All the dies are used right here. I just think that it's really, I don't know, it's a really beautiful card. A really good reminder of the reason for the season, and new Simply Sentimental, as I mentioned before. I just think that's such a pretty card and simple, but graceful too. So I think that you're going to like this one. If you like making faith-based Easter cards, this is what we got for you. So I hope you're loving it. We also, like I said, have new stamp sets that come with coordinating dies. All of those are represented in today's cards. They're all sentiments. Okay, they're represented on these 5 cards right here. So those are new sentiment sets, and they're going to work great with this collection. We also have a ton of new embellishments. We have new sparkle spot colors coming. We also have some embellishments that are exclusive to the Trinity Stamp Shop. You can't find them anywhere else in other shops that might carry Trinity Stamps things. So we're going to look at those real quick to give you a little sneak peek. But here they are right here. We've got some mixes like already mixed for you. We have this really cute, it reminds me of ladybugs and spring and green grass, bloom and bling. We have this iridescent flower mix, different size, different color flowers, completely flat. These are Petal Pop. We have a sweet, dreamy little mix called Sweet Skies. We have another mix of yellows, flowers, little beads, little confettis, and that one is Yellow Jubilee. Jubilee. And then Duckling Dazzle. Oh my cute. And then we've got our really fun Eastery mix, bunnies, chicks, eggs, and carrots, bunny trail. So all of these are going to be exclusive to the Trinity Stamps shop. So you're going to want to check those out. Remember, the release is on February 19th. Now, do you want to see a peek at the new sparkle spots? I'm sure you do. Here are the new sparkle spots. We have 5 new colors coming out. So bright and cheery. This is bubblegum. We have papaya, honeydew, pool sparkle, and rose gold. Aren't those beautiful? Ooh, I'm loving the bright, and oh my gosh, they're just so pretty. And you know, we love our sparkle spots at Trinity Stamps. They're flat, they're glittery, they are in different sizes. They're great for embellishment on the front of your cards, but also in shakers. Our last little thing are 3 more embellishments. We have this mix of butterflies called Flitter Glitter. They're iridescent and shiny and completely flat. Great to mix in your shakers or a little accent. And then we have this new product. These are chunky shreds. Great for Easter. Could make some really fun Easter grass. We have Aura and Green Gleam is the name of that one. We also have 2 more that I don't have to show you. They are chocolate bunnies that are made out of clay, so little clay bits. Then we also have a new shaker pop mix that is completely spring colored. So lots of fun to come for you in the coming days with our design team doing sneak peeks on our YouTube and Instagram as well. And then February 19th will be our release day. We'll have a full release video for you. We will have hops on Instagram and YouTube. So it's going to be great. I hope that you'll check it out. And thanks so much for stopping by today. We cannot wait for this week to share with you. Happy stamping. Bye.